I,
Yumnam Khemchand Singh, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true and faith and aligned to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge my duties as the Chief Minister of the State of Manipur, and that I will do right to all manner of people in accordance with the Constitution and law without fear or favor, affection or ill will.
I,
Yumnam Khemchand Singh, do swear in the name of God that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person or persons any matter which shall be brought under the consideration or shall become known to me as a Chief Minister of the State of Manipur, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as such Chief Minister.
Chief Minister out. Namaste Dobra.
Okay. Sign.
Nihaya na. Yan ni ba mo sa?
Thank you.